What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I want to show you how to find the partial pressure. So what we have here, a tank has total pressure of 3.8 atm, means 3.8 atmosphere. It is composed of ammonia with a pressure of 2.5 atm and argon gas. What is the pressure of the argon gas? So here we have a tank that consists of ammonia and also argon, nothing else. So we know P total pressure equals to P1 plus P2. In general, total pressure is sigma Pi, means the summation of all partial pressures. So we have total pressure, which is 3.8 equals to 2.5 plus pressure of argon gas, which is gonna be 3.8 minus 2.5 equals to 1.3 atmosphere. So that's gonna be the pressure of argon gas. So I hope it was useful. So please let me know if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as I can. Please don't forget to know the total pressure is summation of all partial pressure. Same as atmosphere, it has 1 atm, that's atmospheric pressure, 0.21 of it is oxygen, and 0.79 atm is nitrogen. That's another example. So I will talk about it in details in another video.